Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to know how to clear the command prompt screen in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Let's say this is the command prompt window. I'll create a command like A, B, C. If I wish to clear the screen, let's say I hit enter. Now I need to clear the screen. All I need to do is type CLS for clear screen and hit enter. Now, if I have a command, let's say A, B, C, D, and I need to clear it letter by letter, then I will simply hit backspace. But let's say that we have words like A, B, space, C, D, space, E, R, and I wish to clear them word by word. Then to do so, I'll press the control key and backspace once, then backspace twice will kill the space, then backspace once will kill the word. Backspace again will kill the space and then the word again. Lastly, if you wish to delete a single line, then here's the procedure. Let's say we have A, B, and then this, and I need to delete the whole line. All you need to do is hit the escape key and it will be gone. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.